Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today I'm sure by now you all have seen the new Normani motivation video. Yes, queen! Woo! I mean, that girl was bringing it. That Beyonce walked to open.
Say and give it tonight.
That spin and then she bumps the basketball off her ass. That handstand in the rain and then she splits into it.
You got that good.
I'm over here asking God some serious questions now. What did I do in my past life why I can't sing and dance like that? However, Normani was looking out for your girl same way, cause even though I cannot bounce that basketball off my ass, and I can't handstand and split, and I can't actually master the Beyonce walk, really, that's sad. You know what I can do? No, I can't twerk on a fence either. However, I can definitely do that elastic hairstyle that she had through most of her music video. Well, just got to work with the talents we have, right? So my hair is freshly washed and it is damp. And I'm just gonna start with a center part so that we can use it as a marker to ensure that this hairstyle is even. So nice and easy, I separated a nice chunky section at the front. And this is what I'm going to use to make my elastic design, and the back is going to do a half up, half down style. So I did have to rewatch the music video a few times to ensure I was getting the hairstyle right, of course.
I'ma break you off, let me be your motivation.
And that. But let's focus on the hairstyle. Alright, so using that center part as a guide, right? We're going to separate 1/3 of a section from that half. Why am I doing math in this hair tutorial? I'm sorry. But then I'm going to separate that remaining 2/3 section again. So basically, I just separated that half section into 3 equal parts. And with each of these little smaller sections, we're going to separate it into 2 again, but in the way to make them look like little cubes now. And we're pretty much done with all the math talk now. So now we're gonna use our firm toothbrush and some edge control to brush in all the sides of our little cubey section. This is for several reasons. First, to ensure that the hair looks nice, smooth, and shiny, but most importantly, to ensure there's no little flyaway around the section so that when we add our elastic band, it doesn't snag, hurt, and cause breakage. And yeah, it's supposed to be white hair elastics, but just ignore that part. Just don't see color. So to ensure that the hair remains nice and smooth, I twine the end of the hair and then I add it to the diagonal section. So you see this part where I had to remove the elastics from the back section so that I could add the hair to it? Yeah, I got old and wiser when I got over to the other side, and instead of doing all that, I just did the 2 front sections first. Then I did the back section, and yeah, that was much easier instead of taking out elastics and redoing sections and all of that jazz. Yeah, I could have left the elastic alone on the back section and then just add another elastic over it, but I just did not want to add all that elastic into my hair because what goes in must come out. And you know, these things sometimes cause breakage when you're taking them out, so just careful. So do the front sections first and then do the back. So if you look at the close-up image right here, for the center section, there's an extra elastic right in the center. Woo! And let's just cross it and do the same thing like what we did. And that was a hard part of the hairstyle. So all I'm gonna do now is to put my hair up in a half up, half down style. And then we'll fix up this wash and go. And as always, let's first protect our ends. And with our ends now safely protected, we can now safely make our ponytail. And it does seem like Normani used extensions for hairstyle. However, I like to do my hairstyles with my own natural hair, and I figured it would be cool to actually see how the style looked without all the extra hair. Plus, trying to find hair extensions to match my hair color sucks. So what I'm gonna do with the rest of my hair to finish off this hairstyle is to do a simple cream and mousse wash and go. Alright, so with this product combination, I'm hoping that my wash and go dries defined but fluffy. That's what I'm hoping for. So let's allow this to dry and we'll see how this looks. I'ma break it off, let me be a motivation. Yeah, I got it tonight. If you've been enjoying this video and you haven't skipped a thing, answer this question to be featured in my next intro. And baby, turn around, let me be an innovation. Yeah. So yeah, we keep it with the same theme. She in white, I in yellow. It's practically the same color, it doesn't matter. Let me know what you think. I love this look on me. I love it. Yes! The only thing I think I would have done differently is to do a braid out instead of a wash and go. Because I have not done a wash and go in a very long time, and I kind of forgot that my hair doesn't really have a curl pattern. So I'm definitely getting a afro right now, but that's fine, that's fine. We don't see texture, we don't see color. Me and Normani are practically twins. Anyway, beauties, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you can't tell the difference between me and Normani right now in this motivation video, then give me a thumbs up. If you're new here and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, okay. Let me give you a little motivation. Go up in the icons and you'll see some more of my videos. Go watch them, get more familiar with my channel. And then If you can sit down through 2 or 3 of my videos, use that as an indicator to me that you enjoy my content and it just makes sense you subscribe. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later. Mwah. I'ma break it off, let me be your motivation to stay and give it tonight. That has been stuck in my head all week.